Thank you so much for joining us this evening. I'm Daniela Guzman.
And I'm Christine Noel. Two members of that family died. A woman and her 7-year-old daughter found dead after inhaling carbon monoxide. Now, more than a year later, the Houston Fire Department is taking action. KPRC 2's Andy Cerota is following the story. He is joining us live now with the very latest. Andy?
Christine and Daniela, HFD, reportedly opened an investigation back in July after reporting from NBC News, the Texas Tribune, and ProPublica. As a result, a Houston firefighter was reprimanded for misconduct after an investigation into a delayed 911 response. After a mother and daughter died of carbon monoxide poisoning during last year's winter storm, a Houston fire crew reportedly failed to initially enter the house to check on them. According to NBC News, the Texas Tribune, and ProPublica, it appears a fire captain in the dispatch center failed to provide the necessary information for the people on scene to make the appropriate decision. In a letter to the Texas Attorney General, Houston officials reportedly stated allegations of misconduct in this investigation were sustained and disciplinary action was taken against the firefighter.
So we think that these people are on the floor right now as a result of carbon monoxide inhalation. Should we go and break through the window and figure it out ourselves? I'm asking you what we should do.
I mean, the only thing I can do is send you back to the emergency call taker and have them go back out there.
Okay, but that already happened and nothing came from that, so it doesn't make sense.
A series of 911 calls obtained by NBC News, the Texas Tribune, and ProPublica and shared with KPRC show their cousins struggle for information and decisive action from Houston firefighters. HFD did not disclose details of its reported investigation, but shared an internal memo with NBC outlining the steps firefighters should take when responding to medical emergencies. In this case, firefighters responded twice, but didn't enter the home until the second visit shortly after midnight, despite being urged to by relatives 3 hours earlier.
Yeah, but I mean, they're there, nobody's on scene, so it's one of those things. If they get there and they have to force entry, they're going to break the door, displace the lock.
Yeah, that's fine. Do that as soon as possible.
We reached out to the Houston Fire Department for a comment regarding the reported reprimand, and tonight we are awaiting a response. Live in Northwest Houston, Andy Cerota, KPRC 2 News.
Andy, thank you.